Now, one of the small jobs I need to do is make repairs to this trolley with the cross-cut saw, because at the moment it's only leaning. It's got 2 casters when it should have 4. And see if I can get that to stop up. Now you notice, well, you might not notice, but one of the casters here, the other one is in that far corner. They're only going through chipboard, and with constant moving, the bolt and nut have worked through. So what I need to do is replace those 4 with things that won't break. So the first thing I need to do is make sure it's roughly level. Now I've put those pieces of wood under to try and chock it, and on the spirit level get that somewhere level, and put another piece of timber there. That's nearly there. Anything just to make sure it's level. That's about right. And this side, it's almost there. But that's not looking level that direction either. So I think that will be a case of, those are the new wheels with the corner brackets. I think it's going to be a case of position that part like that, and that, hope, trust that that will be level. But at least it won't fall down at the moment. So see how this goes. That's going to go through into the batten, so that should be fine. I think I might need longer screws. Those are 40mm. And these are heavier duty anyway, because these are 5mm. Okay. Right, it's now on its 4 new wheels. I'll have to see how that goes. Because they are going to take a lot of torque as the wheat casters move, so as I say,